In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Evri with your Shopify store, a powerful combination that allows for seamless order management and shipping operations. Evri, developed by parcel2go.com, is a versatile app available in the Shopify App Store designed to simplify your e-commerce logistics. Let's dive right into it. The first step in this integration process is to locate the Evri app in the Shopify App Store. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel, and from there, find the Apps section. Here, you can search for Evri by parcel2go.com. Once you've found the app, click on it to open its detailed page. This overview will give you important information about what the app does, including key features such as order importation, bulk label printing, and delivery tracking, all handled within your Shopify environment. Now, let's proceed to the installation. This app is free to install, meaning you won't incur any costs unless you utilize its label printing features, which do have associated shipping charges. When you're ready, click the Add App button. After confirming any necessary permissions, your installation will begin automatically. It's a straightforward process, but if prompted, ensure you're allowing any permissions the app requests to function correctly. With Evri successfully installed, the next crucial step is to configure it to meet your specific business needs. Start by opening the app from your Shopify store's Apps dashboard. The intuitive interface will guide you towards setting parcel defaults, which include determining weight, size, and any other preferences tailored to your shipping operations. Setting these defaults early on will save you time by automating details for each order, ensuring consistency and efficiency in your shipping routines. One of the primary benefits of using the Evri app is its ability to import orders directly from your Shopify account. This feature eliminates any need for manual data entry. To do this, navigate within the app to connect it to your Shopify orders. It's typically a matter of following a few prompts, as Evri is designed to sync seamlessly with your system. Once your orders are imported, you can proceed to the next feature: printing shipping labels in bulk. This benefit is especially useful if you're handling large volumes of orders and need to expedite your shipping processes. Within the app, select the orders you wish to ship and then opt to print labels in bulk. Ensure your printer settings are configured correctly to match the label specifications required by your carriers. Finally, Evri makes it easy to track shipments right from your app. After dispatching your parcels, come back to your Evri dashboard, where you'll find all necessary tracking details. This proactive approach will not only keep you informed about each shipment's progress, but also allow you to effectively manage customer queries regarding delivery status with real-time updates. By the end of this setup process, you should have Evri fully integrated with your Shopify store, ready to elevate your shipping operations to a new level of efficiency and seamlessness. Thank you for following along with me today, and happy shipping!